Another project, just like I need one. Been sitting here a day or two. Gotta cut this tree. That tree in behind. Drag this old car out of the way. Old truck's been sitting here supposedly about 21, 22 years. So I'll get you some better pictures when I get this tree stuff out of the way. Just want to show you where it's at for right now. See this right here, this old tree, that growed around this. This is still wet right here. That's how long this old truck's been here. Now I gotta get this stump down out of the way. One behind here and maybe we'll be about ready to pull it out. All right, y'all. Y'all seen the mess it was around this thing. We've been working about an hour and a half. Got it cleaned out enough. I believe somebody can load it right here, hopefully. Remember this tree that was right here? I've got it cut down. It was up against the cab and up against the bed. It was right there. And right here. We got her cleaned out pretty good around it. Old sister don't look bad to be sitting here 22 years. Mirror's still on it. Part of the lights. Caution lights anyway. This old tire right here is still a little low. I didn't have enough air in my tank, but it's holding there. Been holding for an hour or so. She's dirty. Look at the tires on the back of this thing. I know they're rotten. I think they're all up. It must have been put on new right before it's parked. Anyway, see if we can find somebody to holler. Looky here, she's on there, loaded right up. Both ends rolled good. And here we go.